Hi, this is Video Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable head pointer on your MacBook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Controlling the back cursor with head movement is made possible thanks to built-in feature called head pointer. It's primarily accessibility option for people who have issues with using their mouse. So you can just open your accessibility on your system preferences. You can just scroll down. You can go to pointer control. Click on that. Switch to alternate control method. And you'll find there's an option enable head pointer. You can just click on that. And now you can just when the head pointer is active, your camera will be active too. So I'm using my head to move this pointer on my MacBook. So if you have trouble with your mouse, you can just enable this feature to move your pointer. It's so simple, right? So that is how to enable head pointer on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!